Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel where I share tips and tricks on how to grow your online presence and make money from it. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to earn money from YouTube. Step 1. The first step to earning money from YouTube is to create a YouTube channel. Choose a niche that you're passionate about and can create content around consistently. It could be anything from cooking to fashion to fitness. Step 2. Next, you need to build your audience. Create high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Promote your videos on social media and engage with your viewers in the comments section. Step 3. To monetize your content on YouTube, you need to join the YouTube Partner Program. This program allows you to earn money from ads that appear on your videos. Step 4. To join the YouTube Partner Program, you need to meet certain requirements. These include having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Step 5. Once you're approved for the YouTube Partner Program, you need to set up Google AdSense. This is the platform that allows YouTube to place ads on your videos and pay you for the views and clicks on those ads. Step 6. You can also earn money from sponsored content. This is when brands pay you to create a video featuring their product or service. Make sure to disclose sponsored content to your audience to maintain transparency. Step 7. Finally, you can earn money from selling your own merchandise. This can include things like t-shirts, mugs, and other branded merchandise related to your channel. Conclusion. So there you have it, the steps to earning money from YouTube. Building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort, but it is possible to earn a living from it. Remember to create high-quality content, engage with your audience, and be transparent about sponsored content. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.